Okay, we're making Rice Krispie treats today. We're gonna start off by looking at our equipment. So as always, we have our bowl here. This is for our marshmallows and our butter. We have a bowl for our cereal. And of course, we have our 8x8 pan for those Rice Krispie treats. We also need a rubber scraper for mixing and for patting out. And we need a knife for serving. And for my mise en place, we have our butter and our marshmallows, our cereal. We also have a little bit of salt and vanilla. Those are optional, but I think I'm going to add them today. Our marshmallows are already in our bowl, so we're going to go ahead and add our butter and get that melted up really quick. Just make sure you take that paper off. All right, in the microwave. We're going to microwave this for 1 minute until it's nice and melty. Don't forget to use those oven mitts. All right, my marshmallows looked pretty good after a minute, but you might need 30 more seconds. So put it back in the microwave if you need to. But go ahead and stir it up. You'll see it starts to break up and look like a nice melty marshmallow mixture. Then you can add your vanilla and salt if you're gonna use those or not. Don't worry about it. All right, stir that up a little bit more before you add your cereal in. All right, dump in the cereal. And you're gonna mix it up until it's nice and incorporated, just like that. I like to use a folding motion just like this to make sure my marshmallow is all mixed in. Looks really good. Okay, don't forget you need to spray your pan with some nonstick spray, otherwise you'll never get the Rice Krispie treats out. Pour the mixture in, and then we're ready to pat it out. Okay, you can see my spatula was just not working for me, so I went to the sink, I ran my hands under the water, and I'm patting it out with my hands. I find this to be way easier, so feel free to give it a try. Make sure your hands are clean though, use soap and water. Okay, these have cooled for a little bit, so I'm gonna cut them with my butter knife. That's completely fine for this. We don't need a sharp knife. So once they're cut up, you're gonna transfer them to your plates just like that. Look how good they look. I hope you enjoy this recipe, everybody.